Yesterday I gave you the sum questions as home assignment. The question number 8 you may see on the screen. This is ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Some student have asked me the questions to solve, and one thing also you to be noted that exercise are not from the examination point of view here is written, but I want to assure you that this is not true. The question comes from this section. Okay, so don't go with this statement. Okay, right now why the NCERT wala wrote this I don't know, but examination in that this question from this section usually comes. Right now question number 8, the student have asked what the question is 8 saying here. The question number 8 okay, and what the question is saying, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. The question is saying this is a cyclic quadrilateral. Solution number 8. This is a cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. So, if this is a cyclic quadrilateral, then find a value of x and y. If you will read the question, in the question there is no hint given here. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Find the angles of these. Cyclic is giving you hint, and you studied in the 9th class about the cyclic quadrilateral. A quadrilateral, there is circle here, a quadrilateral which is touching the all vertex lying on the line of circle, let this is called a cyclic quadrilateral. Is that clear? So, cyclic quadrilateral, what the concept, what is the theory about the cyclic quadrilateral? In a cyclic quadrilateral, the opposite angle sum means this angle B plus angle D and angle DA plus angle C. The sum of opposite angle in a cyclic quadrilateral is always 180. This is the hint here. Is that clear? So, I think what you will suppose, directly you will resolve the case. What the case is? Case 1. So, here you will write here, since the opposite angles of a quadrilateral, the opposite angles of a quadrilaterals, okay, have some what 180. That symbolically you can write here, angle A plus angle C is equal to 180. What is angle A? The angle A is 4y plus 20. What is the angle C? Minus 4x, and 180 is there. Can we write this further? Minus 4x minus 4y and 20 to be transferred here. So, what will be this? It shall be 160. Is there anything else common? 4, 4, 4. So, here will be minus x minus y is equal to 4, 4 are 16. This is now equation 1 we reached. Okay. Now, the second case is what? Similarly, case 2, angle B plus angle D is equal to 180. So, what this can we write here? Angle B is what? Angle B is 3y, you may see here what typical expressions is there, 3y and D is minus 7 plus 5, 3y minus 5 and plus D is what? Minus 7x plus 5 is equal to 180. Further can be solved as, so x is to be written first and minus plus 3y and is minus 5 and plus 5. What shall be this? Cancels. Here will be 180. Is there anything else common between them? No. So, this is the equation 2. So, we brought the equation 2. Now, we are to find out Now we have to find out what? We have to find out the solutions of these two. How can we solve this? Obviously, there is the two equations before you. By solving these equations, you can obtain the answer. Is that clear? And how can we do? By substitution method, by elimination method, or any method you can employ. Clear right now? So here is what? Negative y, and here is positive y. So by multiplying by 3, the coefficient will be equal, and after eliminating you can obtain the value of x. So can you obtain the value of x, or you want to know the solution by b? Solving this equation further, you will obtain here angle A and angle B. Okay, you will find out. So what the angle you will find out A, the same will be C. Okay, and what the angle B you will find out, the same will be D. Is that clear? This is the solving. Now look the question next. Some student also have asked the question here, question number 5th. So I am telling the question number 5th. The question number 5th is a tricky question, and really it's quite tricky. I am telling you this. Okay. Look here, this what typical questions is there. What is the pattern of question here? You may see general equations are here: ax plus by, a1x b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, or also can be written as a2x and b2y and c2 is equal to 0. These two equations are here, and we are to solve them. So observe the pattern. What pattern you are observing in these lines? See carefully, very carefully need to see here. What pattern actually we are observing? You got the pattern? Yeah. You may see 152. This is the coefficient plus 152. This is the coefficient of x, and this is the coefficient of what? Y in the second equation. Right now? So this is this coefficient of that, and in the same this is coefficient here also. Right? So we can speak here coefficient have been exchanged. These coefficients are same and these coefficients are same. Clear? The coefficient of x and y are same here. Is that clear, guys? Well, understood you right now? So what is it saying? So the equation of ax plus by is equal to whatever here, and it's bx plus ay and whatever here. You may see the exchange of the coefficient here. Okay. So in this situation, a method is to be told here is, if I will multiply it by b, so it will have ab. I will multiply this by a, it will again have ab. So they will have the equal coefficient or the coefficient with equal factor. So if the factors are equal, coefficient are equal, then this further can be solved on simplified. Okay. So this typical question how to be solved, I am telling this. Obviously you would have employed here the method substitution or elimination, any method, right? So I am telling this what is to be done. First thing. Second thing, it's a 152, and this is what here, it's also 378. So if I will add here these two, so a number will come here, and if I will subtract them, then again number will come here. So you may see here what typical patterns. Equation, this is giving equation 1, and the name of this equation is equation 2. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So command by equation 1 plus equation 2. If I will add equation 1, 150 378y is equal to minus 74. Minus 378 x plus 152 y is equal to, what is next? Minus 604. These two equations are there. If I will add them, adding them, so sign will not change. Adding them, sign will not change. What is their sum? Here minus or here plus. So plus minus minus, and sign will come up greater. Is this 8 minus 2 6, 7 minus 2 2, 3 minus 1 2, and this x again plus minus minus, and the sign is of greater. 8 minus 2 same, clear. Again 4 4 8, 7 is here right now, and here is also 6, it's negative. So you may say, is there anything else common? Yeah, minus minus minus, it's common here, so we can divide them also, and it's x, it's y. 226 is also common in them. If 3 times we will read the 226, then it will give you. Is that clear right now? So try to solve by yourself what is common in them. Do simplify. I am waiting for you 10 seconds. Is that clear? Do solve. Okay guys, have found this? Not found? And how can we solve this further? That is before you. So 226 is common in them all. 226, 226. Okay, you will see here. And what is the method of checking? The 6, the last digit of 6. The last digit of 226 is 6. If 6 is to multiply by 3, then 3 6 are 28, 8 is coming here, and 3 6 are 28. Okay, and here same it is, and here 2 2 6 is to be multiplied by 3. Is that clear? So what can we solve here further? Obviously 3 times will go it. So minus is common, it's 226. What is common in them all? What is common in them all? Common is x, here will come, here will come x plus y is equal to 3. This is equation 1. A simplified term we brought here this. Clear? Similarly, the next is what? The next is what? The next is, once we have added, once we need to subtract again by equation first minus equation second. The second activity that we are doing here. Clear? The second is 152x plus minus 378y is equal to minus 74. Is that clear? And what next is the second equation, minus 378x plus 152y is equal to minus 604. And what is to be done? Equation 1, equation 2, we need to subtract, so the sign will change for the subtraction. So now what this? Plus plus plus. What the sum will come? The sum will come 0, 5 to 12, 13, and is 5 positive, and here negative 8 to 10, and 3 0, and 5 again, it's y. And here what will? Plus there, plus minus minus, and the sign will come up plus. 4 minus 4 0, and 10 30, and 5 will leave here. You may see what is common in them. 530 is common in them all. So x minus y is equal to 1. This is equation number 2. Now you are having two simplified equation two simplified equation. Which are the two simplified equation? Equation 1 and equation 2, you may see. And after solving these equations, you can obtain the right answer for that. Clear? So, how can we solve them further? It is very simple. Again, solving, you will write here this. Okay, solving equation 1 and 2. So, what is the first equation? Obviously, x plus y and it's x minus y. So, adding them, if I add the y will eliminate, 2x is equal to, what is their sum? 3 plus 1, 4. So, what is the value of x? 2, and x is equal to 2 in any equation you have put, equation 1. So, x is 2 you have put, so y is equal to what? 1. Its answer. What the x and y? X is 2 and y is 1. So, you will observe here, the pattern is what here, when the coefficient of x and y are exchanged, then this typical methods are used to be used. Once adding the equations, once subtracting the equation will give you a common factor or common multiple. Okay. So, this can help you to solve the question. Is that clear, guys? Really, this question is the examination typical questions is there. Okay. Now, see the next, and some more variety question have been asked here. Okay. So, you may see the pattern is begins from here. We have solved the question by different method, and again we have solved the question by elimination. The equation 1 and 2 I have solved by elimination, and I have put the value of x in equation 1. So, what we can ask, there is no specified method to solve these such equations. Okay. Right, guys? Now, see this question have been asked by the different people. I am telling the some more questions. Yeah. So, the people have asked me the question number 4 also. So, I am telling the question number 4. The question number 4 is also very simple question. Right? What is the question number 4? The question number 4 is very simple question. Clear? You may say the question number 4. Yeah. Question number, this we are asking here. What type questions are being asked here? Ax minus b, right now Ax minus b, Ax minus b and Ax plus a minus b is the coefficient of x, and a plus b, this is the coefficient of. Here you may see, is this standard equation here? Before solving the question, we always have to make a pattern with that, whether the equation is standard or not. And what the standard equation? Ax plus b plus c. You will see in the standard equation, its coefficient, and each term is added by that. So, here is that it is a coefficient of x, is coefficient of y, the plus sign is there, and this whole is without x y, this is called the constant term. So, yes, equation is in instant form, but if you will see a plus b is multiplied to x plus y, it means the a plus b is the whole coefficient. So, this equation is to be corrected first. Okay. So, can be written as what? I am telling this, a plus b is to be multiplied, a plus b to x here. So, it shall be x, and again a plus b is to be multiplied here y, and is equal to its a square and plus b square. You may see this is the second equation. So, actually the equation is to be reformed here. Is that clear, guys? Have seen or this not? You may see this is what typical expression is coming here. This, it is the first equation what I am writing. It is the first equation. Clear? So, if you will observe the pattern, these two equations are actually. So, here the command you will write, above equations can be, what we can write, written as. How can we write? This is the manner here. Now, we start to solve. Observe which method you will employ, elimination or substitution. For the elimination, we see the equity of coefficient. Is the equality of coefficient appearing? Yes. The coefficient of y is a plus b is same. So when the coefficient is same, then what is to be done? The command is by equation 1 minus equation 2. Why minus? Because the coefficient are same here and same sign is there. So a plus b, it's x, and a plus b, it's y, is equal to a square plus b square. And second equation is what? A minus b x plus a plus b y is equal to a square minus 2ab and minus b square. We are subtracting them or adding. Equation comes here, we are adding them, subtracting, minus, minus, here will minus, here will plus, here will plus. So it's what here? Cancels. It's x common. So a plus b minus a plus b. Why a plus b we write here this? A plus b whole we will write, and minus of a minus plus will here, and outside there a cancels, and here will what? Plus of 2ab and plus of 2b square. So here a cancel and it shall be 2bx is equal to, what is common in them? Twice b, a plus b left here. This is the simplification term in mathematics. So 2b can be cancelled. What will be a here? A plus b is coming. This is the value of x is coming. Clear? So what can we write here? This, please tell me. So here can be written as substituting x is equal to a plus b. We can obtain the value of y. What is that? There is a minus b. In any equation you can substitute here, not only in the first equation. We are solving the question by substitution, not elimination, neither cross product. Equation solving actually involve the 4 method. Out of the 4 method, any one can be used, not any specified method to be. If you are experiencing the some more easy type method, that you can follow then. Right now you can think better than me, right? Is that clear? So what is the value of a plus b? So a plus b is to be subtracted here in plus equation 1 right now. So equation x plus b. So a plus b is there, okay? A minus b is here, and the value of this x is a plus b, and here is y. What is y? Y, and what is the coefficient? A plus b, and here will be a square, okay, minus 2ab minus b square. So further can be, what is the product term, the pattern? A square minus b square pattern, right? And it's y. We will not open this parenthesis. So it's a square minus 2ab minus b square. So plus a square plus k square cancel. Either side the same can be cancelled. Minus b square cancel. So if you will see here, y a plus b is equal to minus 2ab. So y can be obtained here, minus twice ab divided by a plus b also can be taken. Is that clear, guys? Well understood you the method of solving? So actually I transferring the thinking process. How a teacher can think to solve a problem, the same way the student has to think. Clear? So actually teaching and telling the question and explain the question is actually transferring the thinking process, the what manner in we can think the problem. What a teacher can think, the same you have to think, right now, and better even you can think. What the next question? So these questions the student have asked right now. So I just clear your doubt. Is there any questions? Somebody else have asked also the question number 3rd. So I hope you will solve this question, okay? So here the coefficient is 1 by a is there, and here is a. So you will multiply this by a and you will divide it by a also. Then it's what here, this equation can be written as, I am telling how to be written as, this b will go here, this it's a bx and minus ay will be there, ay will be there, okay? is equal to 0. This also the way that, and here is the b and here is the a. So you will multiply this b and you will multiply this by a. So AB will be the coefficient. Clear? This is the method, and nobody has asked me this question, but I will suggest you this typical question generally comes in examination. Is that clear, guys? Right now we are just seeing here the study material. Please open the study material. What type of questions comes in examination? I am telling this. You first see the method that I employed here. It's a easy sum method. Substitute the value here. You substitute. So what the answer is coming here? Your answer is x is what coming? A plus b. What the y coming here? Minus 2ab, and it's a plus b coming. It's your answer. Answer always to be written in the ordered pair. Clear? Right now? Now we'll see what type questions have been asked previously in examinations. Previous examination section. While you studying online, always keep the study material aside on the table where your iPad and where your screen of tablet and laptops is you are watching this, okay, or also the mobile. Always keep your sitting on the table and in well manner, how you learn in class and how you learn in the school, right? Same. You just keep your mobile side of the table and take a headphone. The headphone of not the very thin or very small sized head point. Right now, they must have the large head point so that it will not irritate you. It will not give a boresome situation. Is that clear? You just have to also keep the distance from the screen, because online not having any advantage with this. This could advantage the people to the system, but a student is not getting an advantage. I can dare say with the right now to everyone. So remember, please keep your eyes away from the mobiles on the screen. This is actually starting harmful event with you from very early ages. Is that clear? Remember, please. However, whatsoever, please look the question next. So previous year questions is what? So previous year examination questions are all. You may see here on this. Previous year questions. What typical questions came previously? First question you may see on the screen yours. Solve the following equation, system of equation, linear equation graphically. Graphically means these two equations are here. Means you need to draw the graph, okay, and where the line will intersect, you will predict the solution. If the lines are being drawn here in this manner, okay, first line you have drawn this, second line you have drawn this, and the lines are supposed intersecting at any point. At what point, please tell me? At here they are intersecting at P points. So what are the coordinate of the P point? And P coordinate means you will draw the graph. One graph is coming here. Wait a minute, please. Okay, one graph is coming in this right now. The another graph is also coming here in this. Is that clear now? So it's what here? You may see this is x-axis and this is y-axis will speak here. And x-axis further will proceed either left side to that negative or it's a negative. This is origin. So if we'll draw the intersecting here, now draw perpendicular to that. You may see the corresponding coordinates are, and here you will corresponding coordinate you will find out. So what the corresponding coordinates is? The corresponding coordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's a 4, 0. So x is 4, but the y is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 4, 4. So coordinate of x and 4, 4. So your solution is 4, 4. But we have drawn the graph for that. So this is called the graphical method. So I hope you can do this. Also shed the region bounded by the lines and x-axis. So region bounded by the lines and x-axis. Lines bounding this here, this region and x-axis. Is there any else? No. This is the region by the x-axis and all one line, and both line is to be there. So this is that here. This is the area between the lines and the y-axis. But x-axis is asking. Actually I have taken randomly graph, means by my suppositions. The graph is actually not this will come. This typical graph will come here actually, this and this. So here will be your x-axis, okay, this will the x-axis. So you have to shed it and will find in examination the question of finding area comes. Actually after that you will find out the coordinate of PQR, and by using the triangle formula you shall study in the 7th chapter, because this is the questions of the throughout year pattern. Means at the end of year when your examination will conduct, it's called sessional exam. In your sectional exam this question comes till you will have got the study of chapter 7. Clear? Now look the next please. Question number what? Question number 2nd you may see in that same. What is that? The question number 2nd, express y in terms of x. In terms of x means what? I think I am telling this 2x plus 3y is equal to 7. So you brought this equation in the slope form. 3y, let it remain as it is to the left, minus 2x and plus 7 also, and further can be written as y is equal to minus 2 of x plus 7 and divided by 3. This is not a cross here, a cross multiplication. This is actually, there is no cross multiplication operation in mathematics. It is for convenience of the people, they have made this type of operations. And equal L and algebra, either side you can add, either side you can subtract, either side you can multiply, either side you can divide. These are the operations are here, right guys? There is no any cross multiplication operation. However, it is for the convenient mathematics made easy. So this had been understood, this had been constituted in the society by the humankind. Clear? So this is what here is here. You speak here. How do we read this? We can read y is equal to 2 by 3 of x and 7 by 3 of x. You may see this. Y in terms of x it is called, means y is equal to, this is called what form, please tell me? In that 9th class I told you this. What form this is called? Slope form. This is called slope form. Clear guys? Now well understood here what is to be done here this. So this typical random question comes from in examination. Question number 3rd also. Solve the following systematic equation algebraically, means any method you can employ, elimination method, substitution method. Easy questions are being given. Write whether the following pair of equation have constant or not. What equation constant or not? Means they are having constant, whether the following pair of one equation constant or not. Constant or not means the question is random and hided question is conspicuous is conspicuous we can speak. What is to find out is not clear. Constant means what? Sometimes they have consistency or not. Sometimes question with consistency. Consistency in the sense what? Consistency. The meaning of consistency means have. Have what? Have solution. So can be of that one and many. So what is the condition for one and many? The condition for one and many is A1 by A2 and B1 by B2. The first two ratio is not equal. This is called unique solution and consistency. And A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. This is many solution. If two case comes here, then the solution will be many or one. It's called consistency, means have. The equation have. Clear? Now see the next also. Write whether the following pair of equation. 5th question. What value of k the system inconsistent? Inconsistent means there is a condition of consistency. What is the condition for inconsistency? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but not equal to C1 by C2. So this case is to be taken for inconsistency. So inconsistency, this is A. So A1, if you will see here, in the simple way you can understand this. So it's A1 is what? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. So it's what? 9 by 7 and 4 by k and minus 9 by, what is that here? Minus 5. You may see this or not? Not equal to. So find the value here this. So equating this you can obtain here what? So k will here and 7 4s are 28 by 9. This is the value of k. So for 28 by 9 this will not be equal here. Okay, this ever will exist. So this is called inconsistency. Again I am telling you, the meaning of inconsistency means not having. What not having? Solutions not having. Equations not having solutions. Determine the value of k for which the following system becomes consistent. Can you find the consistency? This also you can solve. Find the value of k for which, next question number 7. Again linear equation will have infinite solution. This typical question here. Very easy some question comes. The problem with the student is he have got studied all the chapters throughout the year. Okay, examination conduct at the end of session, and also in the school after the completing of 4 to 3 chapter. Right now 4 to 3 chapter. So 4 chapters already have completed, and at the end of unit completion, the test will be there. So student forget what the decisions to be taken. So at that situation, the question is now became difficult for you. So for that, every Sunday what we take the test, you just have to appreciate the test very seriously. Clear guys? This will help you empowering your mathematics understanding, and even you will not get no, पता भी नहीं चलेगा और आप मैथमेटिक्स में एक्सपर्ट हो जाएंगे. Right now means even you cannot know that, and you will arise a good mathematician and good understanding in mathematics. Clear guys? Well understood you? So what I explained you, see the question next, solve for that. This is reducible form is there also, and 3 mark question now came here. So the question you already have solved here, I think this question first and this question also right now. So here solve the for us, and same these previously questions are here. This is that you may see this or not. I am giving you assignment for the day today. 11 number question you will do. Please note the assignment, 11th question, and you need to solve the question number 2nd also. The 2 questions are here. 2nd, please note on the assignment, and the question number 3rd also you will do. Right, and the question number 4 also you will do. Yes, have noted this. How many questions are there? 1, 2, 3. The 3 questions are there, and 1 is there 4. Well understood you? Now please do solve this question. Right now it's enough for the day, and tomorrow we will start the new chapter. The 4th chapter will start tomorrow. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.